So this time I'll show you how to replace gearboot cover in Meriva A 2005. For this to be done, we need to remove the old one and put a new one. So before I open it, I'll remove this one. Just look on my steps what I'm doing, and I don't have to clearly explain you that much, because if you see it, it's much more easier to do it for yourself. To do so, we need to remove this plastic wrapping around from middle part of the car, and as you can see, there's a plastic cable tie. We need to remove that, so I'm going to use this kind of some pliers. And just easily we need to pull this off. Gently. So that's done. So that's the old bit being removed. Right, so we have a new one. Just need to open it. I've ordered it from eBay for not much. It's quite cheap. It's only tenner. I hope it's gonna fit, because I see now it is slightly tight on the top. So what I will do, probably I'm gonna have to cut this off, because it will not gonna fit through the gear knob. Right, so I'll have to use sharp knife and cut the first sewing. Don't worry, it will not be visible underneath when you attach it. So it goes like that. So probably this is the front, this is the rear, and we need to slightly put over the top. If it's still not fit, just slightly tear it. Okay, so it works like this. The other way around. Sits very nice and easy. And all we need to do now is just put a cable tie in there and zip it. Chop. Okay. Cut off the excess, and that's it. As you can see, this is not rocket science. Everyone can do it. As for me, it looks perfect. Definitely better than the old one. Oj, się nagrywa. No wiper motor, cholera jasna. Ty za chwilę, ty jeszcze nie.